This is a look inside Manhattan Project Energy Empire, the, I guess, second game in the Manhattan Project big box or bigger box game series. This is a game for 1 to 5 players. Let's take a look inside. So we have I guess it's the instructions. I guess it doesn't clearly look like that from the top. Tokens that are, I guess, very similar to the original Manhattan Project. More tokens. Man, I really wish people would make better player boards. I mean, come on, guys. It's 2019 now. These crappy paper boards do not cut it. I mean, even when this game was made, it should have been at least cardboard boards, if not dual layer. So this is the main game board, which is good quality. It's got nice looking stuff there. I'm not going to open up these cards, but you can get an idea of some of the cards in the game. They look okay quality. Let's see. So we have some dice. They're, I guess, nice. We have nice engraved symbols. And we have resources, which are I believe, much better than the stuff in the original Manhattan Project. It looks like steel, like wooden steel blocks, and then barrels of oil. And some translucent cubes.